Welcome to FarmMap4D. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to edit, modify and delete the features you have created in the infrastructure mapping tutorial. To start, open the Tool menu and click the Edit Features tool. You can see that a new toolbar opens up on your left. With this tool, you'll be able to edit or delete attributes or locations in your property infrastructure map. To start editing a particular layer, select the type of feature you wish to edit from the drop-down menu. For this example, I will start by editing the attributes of a fence line to reflect the changes I made to the external boundary in the previous tutorial. After selecting a layer, click Next. The next window is used to select a group of features on the map to edit. This allows you to draw a box or complex polygon around features, and then the features that fall within this box will be available for you to edit. An attribute table appears on the left, stating at the top that this is feature 1 of so many features found inside my box. This menu allows me to quickly update attributes for my features from fence boundary to fence incomplete. Then save the attributes and move to the next feature in the box by clicking the Save and Next button. I can also use this to delete features within the box one at a time by clicking the Delete and Next button. If you do not wish to edit a feature, simply press Next. If I only need to change the attributes of part of a line, I can use the Split Line button to identify a location to split my fence into two components. Do this by drawing a line starting on one side of the fence, snapping to where you want the line split, then double-clicking somewhere on the other side of the line to finish. I will then update the attributes of just the relevant section of fence. Using the Edit Feature button on a fence line or Edit Geometry button on a point feature allows you to move a feature on the map. We shall move this fence line to its correct position now. Once you click on Edit Feature, the fence vertices are highlighted. Grey vertices are ones that were mapped in originally and can be moved. White vertices are virtual and can become permanent grey vertices when moved into place by clicking, holding the left mouse button down and dragging. You'll notice white virtual vertices are added either side of the new grey vertex that was just created. Keep moving the vertices till you're happy with the shape, then single click on the map away from the highlighted area to finish. Wait till the attribute table appears again, then click Save and Next, then the Exit button. You might notice the red line that is now showing. This is the infrastructure polygon layer showing to the side of the fence line we just moved. This reminds us that every time we move a fence line, we need to generate paddocks again to realign the paddock polygons to the fence lines, as per Video 2 infrastructure mapping. Other linear features are edited in exactly the same way. I will now move a dam from its incorrect position to a correct position. Once again, open the Tool menu and click the Edit Features tool. Select water points from the drop-down menu. Draw a box around the feature you want to move and click Next. The Edit Features tool is also a handy way to review all the attributes for all the features in your property. This will help make sure they are correct. Scroll to the bottom of the attribute table that shows and click on Geometry. Zoom to the water point in question, place your cursor on it, move it into place by holding the left mouse button down and dragging. Single click on the map to finish. Wait till the attribute table appears again, click Save and Next, then the Exit button. As an alternative method for viewing attributes for completeness, we can use either the Identify tool in the Basics Tools tab or the Find Data on the Map tool from the blue I Want To button. These tools are the same and allow us to click a location or draw a box and displays all information for all the features within the box. You can cycle through the features one by one, or by clicking the Switch to Table button, we can examine all the attributes in one table. Different layers, for example water points versus fences, are displayed as different tabs at the top of this table. This completes the tutorial on editing and deleting features.